Well, I'm getting kind of curious as to whether the sweet potatoes are ready. So I'm going to take a little peek under one corner or another. I think I'm going to pick this corner right here. I'm going to dig up just a little and see if there's any sweet potatoes that are ready. Not a good first impression. That's a little better, but I'm still hoping for something bigger than that. Oh my word. Ask and ye shall receive. That's hilarious. I think I'm going to get a bucket and go ahead and start pulling all these vines and see what's under here. Look at this vine. It's flat, looking like some of the bungee straps that I have purchased. Man, that is massive. Massive. These are Beauregard sweet potatoes, and they're really easy to grow. They're generally a 90 to 100 day potato from the time that you put the slips in the ground until you're harvesting. But they love full sun all day long. The hotter the better. Big cluster. Well, I just dropped part of them. Big cluster right there. There's some good sized ones and there's some small ones, but they all peel and they all cook. Here's a nice one. Beautiful sweet potato. Here's a funny one. This one, it's flat on this side. It grew against the sidewall of the raised bed. This is what I got. I got plenty of small ones, some medium, and some big ones. They'll all cook the same though.